In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import media into DaVinci Resolve, a crucial step for anyone diving into video editing with this powerful tool. Whether you are just getting started or refining your workflow, knowing how to efficiently import and organize your media can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to open DaVinci Resolve and ensure you're on the cut page. This is your starting point for importing all your media. The cut page is designed to be a streamlined, efficient environment that's perfect for quick edits and organizing. It's where you'll manage all your footage before you start the nitty-gritty of editing. Once you're on the cut page, you should direct your attention to the area above the media pool. Here, you'll notice two options: Import Media and Import Media Folder. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to focus on using Import Media Folder. This option is particularly useful because it allows DaVinci Resolve to bring in your files exactly as they're already organized on your computer. This feature is not just a time saver, but also ensures consistency with whatever organizational system you've set up on your device. Choosing the Import Media folder is straightforward. A window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your folders and select the ones you want to import. This approach is an energy-efficient way of managing your project files and helps maintain an orderly structure within DaVinci Resolve, which is crucial for larger projects with multiple assets. The advantage of using the Import Media folder is that all your files retain their original order and structure. If you've meticulously organized your media into folders and subfolders, this method preserves that arrangement. This can be incredibly helpful, particularly if you have different types of media, such as background music, sound effects, video clips, and graphics, all neatly arranged. In summary, being able to quickly and efficiently import media is foundational to any editing process in DaVinci Resolve. By utilizing the Import Media folder feature, you not only save time but also uphold the meticulous organization efforts you've made on your computer, creating a seamless transition from preparation to editing. Keeping your media organized from the start sets a professional tone for the entire editing process and ultimately leads to a smoother, more efficient workflow. So that's it. A simple yet essential guide on importing media into DaVinci Resolve. Give it a try and see how much of a difference it makes in your post-production work. With these steps, you'll become more efficient, organized, and ready to tackle any project that comes your way. Happy editing!